Hi, John Kavakis here with a brand new edition of My Take. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Hot Wheels Premium 143rd Series. Brand new series from Hot Wheels. Now, this is not the first time that Hot Wheels has delved into the 143rd market, but it's a new series, and I think they've done a really great job for it. We're going to take a look at them. The first two releases were a Lamborghini Countach 800-4 and a 2023 Corvette Z06. Very nice models. They hit with a big splash, a lot of detail on them, great colors. They sold out quickly, but they're just starting to show up at Target again. Now, let me tell you something about availability. Target's the only place you can buy these. They've got an exclusive on them so far. And so, you know, when they stock them, you kind of got to get down there quickly if you want to nab one, in particular if it's a new release. It does take them some time to get caught up, but that's part of the hunt. That's part of the fun of what we do. So the Lamborghini and the Corvette are showing up in Target. They're hanging there on the walls. But they got two brand new releases, and that's what I want to show you today. We have a 2021 Mustang Mach 1 in Jet Fighter Gray. That was a limited edition color for the Mach 1, made to emulate jet fighters. And there's also a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. That's the one with the big V8. Now, the Rubicon is outfitted for outdoor activity. It's got a rollout awning on the side. It's got a container up on the top, probably has camping gear in it, and it's got some stuff hanging on the back. Really neat little details. Now, all the models come in this special packaging. If you're a Hot Wheels guy, you're going to love this. It's protective. It's unique. It's really easy to use, and most Hot Wheels guys are hanging their displays on their walls. If you have a display cabinet and you'd like to keep your packages, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge because it's a different type of packaging. But what I'm going to do is show you how it works. The first time you open them, you're going to need something sharp to open it up. They've got a really nice little information placard on the back. Once you get it open, the back just flips down. You can move the card out of the way and pull the model out. It comes in two pieces, and you can put it on display. It's easy enough. I think it's pretty slick packaging. Again, it's something I'm not used to, but I think they've done a good job, and it's got the Hot Wheels marked all over it. So the models themselves, now they sell for $24.99. And if you happen to get them at the store, that's what you're going to pay. Of course, you can order them online. Right now, the Lamborghini and the Corvette are available online for $24.99. If you put an order in for over $35, you get free shipping. So that's the retail. You gotta be careful with these because when that Lamborghini and Corvette showed up, the same thing happened that's happening in these two models I'm going to show you here today. They show up on the secondary market at huge prices. All you got to do is be patient. The other thing you can do is you can shop the secondary market, because I found two of them at very near retail with free shipping. So you got to be careful with this. Don't get too excited about it. There are going to be more coming. Target's going to have them in stock. You'll be able to get them offline. Just keep on looking for it. But you know, I have a friend that paid over $100 each for one of these. They're $24.99. It's really great value. I believe that Hot Wheels has done a really good job with these. Now, if you're used to a high-end resin or white metal car, they compare favorably well, but you know, you got to understand what the price point is here. The colors are accurate. The detailing is great. Graphics are fantastic. Great wheels on them. The Mustang even has undercarriage detail. You take a look at the chassis detail. I think they're really good values for the money. And you know what? They're interesting models as well. They're well replicated. I think that they are true to form. Fidelity seems to be great. The colors seem to be very accurate according to colors. They've done a nice job on these models. And at that price point, I think they're pretty substantial. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get them on the turntable and let you take a close look at them. You can decide for yourself, and then if you want them, you can go hunting. So here they are. We're going to take a look at the Mustang first, then we'll take a look at the Jeep. Okay, so that's a close look at the models. You know, that Rubicon, the finish on that, the metal flake shows up pretty brightly under the lights, but in person, it's a pretty good looking model, pretty good representation of the color. Now, they got 2 more coming. Not sure when they're going to be released, but the next 2 releases will be a Nissan Skyline GTR in silica brass. Got a picture of it. You can take a look at it here. The model's going to be fantastic, I'm sure. And there's going to be a 2020 Mercedes-AMG GT3 Evo in silver. Now, it's kind of an iconic racing car. Okay, those should be coming, I would imagine, sometime in the fall. You're just going to have to keep an eye out on them. So, look, thanks for tuning in. I'd love to hear what you think about these. This is my first look at something from Hot Wheels. If you're viewing this video on a forum or on Facebook, if you click on the little YouTube icon down there in the bottom right-hand corner, it'll take you to the YouTube site, and you can leave your comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I've got more stuff coming. Keep your eyes tuned. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time.